Hi, my name is Sushant Reddy and I am the co-founder and CEO of RV. RV is a healthcare startup. I engaged Mr. Vinay from Bymark. From the first meeting, Mr. Vinay has been very cooperative. He helped us with the minute details of how to register ourselves on Amazon, how to create a brand, how to put up our images, the web presence, how to get ourselves, an FBA fulfillment on Amazon. So a lot of things which were very useful. We would have spent a lot of time, made mistakes. Fortunately, with his advice, we could do things very quickly and set up our page on Amazon. So I strongly recommend for all the startups and other companies who are trying to build their products on Amazon to use Bymark services. We are very happy with the service. Thank you.
My name is Björn Erik Birkeland. I'm the founder and CEO of Luminizer. I contacted Bymark for Amazon account setup, marketing campaign and SEO campaign services. The experience with them is awesome and I have a good report. The entire team is highly responsive, reliable as well as hardworking. Extremely happy to work with them and I would like to recommend them to all of you. Thanks.
Greeting viewers, my name is Brajesh Sahai and I'm the Managing Director of the Oxford Health Exim. Kumar's knowledge I found to be in depth of the field that he's in. His knowledge is very strong. The way he explained things was also very simple and straightforward, and I like that without a lot of complex jargon, which somebody like me who's from a non-IT background may not understand, but he explained it very well. So yes, certainly looking forward to working with Kumar and the Bymark team.
Vinay Kumar and Bymark team has stretched their limits in order to fulfill my requirements. So the knowledge that these guys are possessing is immense. These guys know from A to Z of putting a product online and making an SEO, preparing an image, catalog services, and they have got a hell a lot of things that they can help your business to grow. So once again, I would like to appreciate for these guys for their delightful services. They gave me more than what I expected. I wish them all the best, and people who are looking forward for Amazon services, I would blindly ask you to go with Bymark. Yeah, thank you Vinay, thank you for all your services.
A consultancy session with Bymark Vinay Kumar yesterday, and the consultancy service was really satisfactory, and he was quite informative in what he told me. I had many doubts and questions initially before starting the session. I had actually prepared a big questionnaire, but Vinay was very clear in what he was explaining, and after completing the session, I didn't get to ask even a single question from my questionnaire because he covered everything from it. So whoever is trying to start their business in e-commerce through Flipkart or Amazon, just go for Bymark. They are really professional in what they do and they know the stuff. Thank you.
I'm from Vidata Foils. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Bymark for their services which they have given for Vidata Foils. We are very happy to say that we are able to achieve required target with the help of Bymark. Is having very cooperative and they will take entire responsibility whenever we are having some issue. They keep us in comfort zone with their knowledge and expertise. Thank you very much for giving support for Vidata Foils. Thank you, Bymark.
All my doubts cleared, and you should too if you want to start or get into your e-commerce business.
The experience has been very informative, and thank you Bymark and thank you Vinay.
Hi, I'm Satyamani, MD of Pickle Store Company. He had answered all our questions. We are very happy with the responses we have got from him. Thank you, Mr. Vinay.
So, from the time we tied up with Bymark, so we really like the way they work, and they are really professional, and the timelines they follow is really appreciated. So, and I strongly recommend any company who are actually looking for taking online services, and thank you Bymark.
They helped us to
increase our sales in Amazon and Flipkart?
It's very good services. If we go for normal services, is far better than this. If you take professional services are better because of their imaging quality and all. The video shooting was very good. It was excellent, and you should go for this Bymark.
I had a session with Vinay Kumar from Bymark business. So explained clearly on that, and he explained clearly about the metrics which should we follow.
Bymark will be the best solution for you in Amazon. So నాకైతే చాలా హెల్ప్ అయింది, మీ అందరికీ డెఫినెట్గా హెల్ప్ అవుతుంది. థ్యాంక్ యూ Bymark team.
వినయ్ కుమార్ చాలా హెల్ప్ చేశాడు మాకు మా ప్రోడక్ట్ లాంచ్ చేయడానికి. కొన్ని టెక్నికల్ స్పెసిఫికేషన్స్ కానీ ఎలా లాంచ్ చేయాలా ఏం చేయాలి బాగా గైడెన్స్ ఇచ్చాడు. మీరు కూడా ఏదైనా ప్రోడక్ట్ ఉంటే ఈజ్ ది బెస్ట్ వే టు లాంచ్ ది అమెజాన్ త్రూ Bymark.
Myself is Basant Kumar, proprietor of the Vasavan company from Nagok, Hyderabad. లో ఉన్నది నేను వన్ ఆఫ్ ద బెస్ట్ సెల్లర్ ఇప్పుడు అమెజాన్లో ఐఎంసీ ఒక బ్రాండ్ బెస్ట్ సెల్లర్ నేను ప్లస్ తర్వాత నాకు బెస్ట్ రేటింగ్ కూడా ఉన్నది. దీనికి నేను కొత్తగా కలుపుకుంటున్నాను Bymark. థ్యాంక్స్ టు ఎవ్రీవన్ అండ్ Bymark టీమ్.
అమెజాన్లో ప్రోడక్ట్ ఎలా సేల్ చేయాలి, ఎలా ఇంక్రీజ్ చేయాలి అనేది చాలా బాగా చెప్తారు వాళ్ళు. Bymark వాళ్ళ సర్వీసెస్ చాలా బాగుంటాయని.
ఎక్కడ తప్పులు చేస్తున్నావు, ఎందుకు తప్పులు చేస్తున్నావు, ఎలా తప్పులు చేస్తున్నావు, ఆ తప్పుల వల్ల నీకు ఎక్కడ ల్యాక్ అయిపోయావు, ఎందుకని వెనకబడ్డావు అనేది మొత్తం వివరించారు. ఆ వివరణ నాకు చాలా యూస్ఫుల్ అయింది. నాలెడ్జ్ షేరింగ్కి నాకు బాగా ఉపయోగపడింది. అండ్ ఆల్సో థ్యాంక్స్ టు Bymark ఫర్ షేరింగ్ దేర్ నాలెడ్జ్ టు మీ.